What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick video about how to get rid of like this icky stuff on this like dirt and grime on the steering wheel, or on like plastic buttons within the car's interior. So this is a W203 Mercedes C Class. It's a 2002. So I've seen like a lot of videos on like YouTube and stuff that say, you should use like a cleaner concentrate with some water and things like that. But I'm just gonna try like some Clorox wipes at first. So I just want to sort of show you, test it and see if it actually makes a difference. And it definitely does. As you can see, all that like dirt and grime is starting to come off right here on the steering wheel. And this usually, just gets built up because of just finger like oils and dirt, and definitely the sun makes a big difference as well. So I'm just gonna sort of do this, go slowly all around. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing this all around the steering wheel. But in terms of if you want, you can go out and purchase like a leather cleaner, or I've seen people use like OxyClean and stuff like that. But honestly, unless it's like, this was pretty bad. You could barely just hold on to the steering wheel because it's so sticky. But just using this, I'll probably use some water after this, just because I don't want any of this residue on there as well. But yeah, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. I'm just gonna continue doing this all around, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. So like I said, I just took the Clorox wipes and I just rubbed them all around the steering wheel. So you can see, I'll try to get up close. It's quite a bit cleaner than before. And I didn't really have to use any like chemical cleaners or anything like that. Just your Clorox wipes, which you most likely have sitting around at home. And then afterwards, I just used like a spray bottle with some water in it, and like a microfiber cleaning cloth, and I just sort of sprayed the steering wheel a little bit as I went along, and just cleaned it with the Clorox wipe, or with the the towel, and that's pretty much it. And it's it's dry, and that stickiness that was there before is gone. So yeah, so a couple other places in the car that the same issues, like down here with the with these buttons, with these knobs, they're a little bit sticky as well. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, just use the Clorox wipes to wipe it down, get rid of all the dirt, and then I'll just use the wet paper towel or the microfiber cleaning cloth just to do the rest. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to keep more content coming your way. Thank you.